Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can monitor the standings table for your simulation, visualize the performance of your students in all of the stations within our virtual company, send push notifications directly to your students' smartphones, and access the documentation that accompanies our simulation game. Let's get to it. First, you'll need to select the simulation that you're interested in. Then, on the right side menu, click on Standings. Here, you'll be able to see how the different teams are performing against each other. Next, in the Dashboard section, you will be able to visualize how all of the teams are doing in the different sections within the virtual company. You can also select the teams that you're interested in specifically and compare those by themselves. If you see something that you want to tell a particular team or your entire classroom, you may do so from the push notifications section. With this tool, you'll send a push notification straight to your student's smartphone. Lastly, in the Documents section, you'll have access to all of the documentation that accompanies our teaching game. Thanks for watching! If you would like help setting up a new simulation, click on the video up here.